Imagine this. It's 2 a.m., you're in the middle of the woods, nature is calling, and the nearest bathroom is 20 minutes that way. So in this video, let's fix that. Today we're counting down the 6 best portable toilets for camping, from simple budget lifesavers to surprisingly comfortable, almost at-home setups. Stick around to the end because the #1 pick is the one that finally made everyone in the camp stop complaining and actually say, okay, this is nice.
Number 6, LuckyNov Portable Toilet. This one is very much a just get the job done option. It's a compact, portable toilet that uses disposable, leak-proof bags to handle waste, so there's no built-in tank or complicated flushing system to deal with, which honestly is kind of nice when you just want simple. You unfold it, line it with a bag, and you're ready. The first thing that stands out is how lightweight and easy it is to move around. Toss it in the trunk, throw in a roll of bags, and you're set for emergency stops on road trips or basic campground use. The leak-proof bags are designed to contain both liquid and solid waste, which definitely helps with odor and cleanliness when used properly. For quick overnight trips or as a backup toilet, it feels practical. Not glamorous, but practical. Now, here's where it's not perfect. The seat and frame feel more like an occasional use product than something you'd want for a week-long trip with heavy use. If you're a bigger person or you move around a lot when you sit, you might notice a bit of flex and wobble that doesn't inspire full confidence. And because it relies entirely on bags, you're constantly thinking about how many you have left and where you're going to toss them. Another small annoyance, there isn't much in the way of extra features. No integrated paper holder, no privacy tent, nothing fancy. It's basically a portable frame and bag system.
5, Sckee camping toilet. This one immediately feels like a step up in terms of comfort and structure. It's a foldable, portable toilet made from durable ABS plastic designed to support up to around 450 pounds, so it doesn't feel flimsy when you sit on it. The seat height is closer to a normal toilet, which matters more than you think when you're using it multiple times a day. The Sckee has a proper lid, and many versions include a built-in paper holder, which sounds like a tiny detail, but when you're fumbling around in the dark at a campsite, it's actually huge. Folded down, it packs pretty small, so it works well for car camping, road trips, and even as an emergency toilet for long drives or truckers. You line it with standard waste bags, do your thing, tie it up, and you're done. Cleaning the actual unit is pretty straightforward because there are no complicated tanks or hoses. Now, here's where it's good but not great. The folding design is functional, but you do have to make sure it's locked properly. If you rush it or someone doesn't unfold it fully, there can be a bit of a wiggle that makes people nervous, especially heavier users. Also, even though it supports a high weight limit, the footprint isn't super wide, so on soft ground, it can sink or tilt a bit if you don't set it on something stable.
4, YITAHOME 2.6-gallon portable toilet. This is the first one on the list with a proper built-in freshwater tank and waste tank. You're not just sitting on a lined bucket here. You've got a 3.2-gallon freshwater tank for flushing and a 2.6-gallon waste tank underneath. The flush system uses a pressure pump, so you get a surprisingly strong rinse that does a legit job of clearing the bowl and helping control odors. There are latches on the sides that let you separate the top and bottom halves, carry the waste tank separately, and dump it in a designated spot when you're done. There's also a sliding valve between the bowl and the tank that you can close to seal off odors when it's not in use, which makes a huge difference if you're using this inside a tent, RV, or camper van. Comfort-wise, this thing feels a lot closer to a real toilet. The seat height is reasonable, the build is solid enough for most adults, and the whole design is made from high-density PP and ABS plastics that are built to hold up over time, with a weight capacity around 275 pounds. For small families, this is a sweet spot. Enough capacity for multiple uses before needing to empty it, but still compact enough to carry and stash easily. There are trade-offs, of course. Because it's a proper tank system, it's heavier when filled and requires a bit more maintenance mindset.
3. Katy XL portable toilet with pop-up privacy tent. And the magic here isn't just the toilet itself, it's the fact that you get your own private little bathroom booth. The tent is XL sized, so even taller adults can stand easily inside without hunching over, and it works as a changing room, shower tent, or toilet tent. It pops up quickly, which means you can go from no privacy at all to fully enclosed bathroom in a minute or two. When you're camping with family, mixed groups, or in busy campgrounds, that privacy is priceless. Nobody wants to hold a towel for someone as a makeshift door, you know? Inside, you get a portable toilet that pairs well with standard waste bags, along with enough space to store toilet paper, wipes, and even a small light if you're setting up a more permanent site. The floor space is enough so you don't feel cramped, and having that zippered door and full coverage walls just makes the whole situation feel way less awkward. People who are skeptical about going outside usually calm down a lot once they realize they have an actual private room. Now, this setup is definitely bulkier than a bare-bones folding toilet. You're carrying a tent plus the toilet, and you need enough ground to pitch it. Wind can be a factor too, like with any lightweight pop-up tent, so staking it down properly is a must. But once it's secure, it feels like a proper, dedicated bathroom corner of your campsite instead of a random chair in the bushes. Number 2, imodomio retractable portable toilet camping. It uses a telescoping, retractable stool-style design that folds down to a very compact height and then extends up to a comfortable sitting height when you're ready to use it. The key here is the adjustable height. Thanks to its fish scale style locking structure, you can set it anywhere from a few inches up to around 13.5 inches tall, which makes it great for kids, shorter adults, or anyone who wants a specific comfort level. Despite being collapsible, it's built to hold adult weight confidently, and when it's fully locked in place, it feels surprisingly solid. That adjustability gives it a big edge over fixed height camp toilets. Functionally, it's still a bag-style toilet. You line the inside with a waste bag, do your business, seal the bag, and dispose of it properly. But because the whole unit collapses to a compact disc shape with a carry handle, it's incredibly easy to throw into a backpack, trunk, or RV storage compartment. It can also double as a basic stool, a small side table, or even a mini trash bin when not used as a toilet, which is honestly pretty handy on longer trips. There are a couple of things to be aware of. You do have to make sure the telescopic segments are fully rotated and locked. Otherwise, you'll feel some movement when you sit, which is not what you want in that moment.
1. ALEVMOOM XXL portable toilet for camping. This is the one that actually got people saying, wait, this is really comfortable. It's basically an oversized, telescoping portable toilet designed to handle up to around 880 pounds. So right away, you know it's built with stability in mind. Like the imodomio, it uses a collapsible design, but the XXL sizing means the seat area is larger and the overall footprint is wider, which makes it feel more like sitting on a sturdy stool than a tiny camp gadget. The height is adjustable up to about 19.7 inches, which is very close to standard home toilet height. And that alone makes long-term use so much more comfortable for adults, seniors, or anyone with knee issues. What really helps is the combination of strong structure and thoughtful details. The ALEVMOOM XXL typically includes non-slip pads on the base, which keep it stable on dirt, grass, or gravel. And the overall build is engineered to resist wobbling, even for heavier users. Because of the XXL capacity and sturdiness, this doesn't feel like a temporary fix. It feels like a proper camping toilet you can rely on for the whole trip.
Just like the others in this style, you line it with a base wag, and many people pair it with absorbent gel or deodorizing powder. But because the unit itself is taller, stronger, and more comfortable, you don't dread using it multiple times a day. Final thought. So that's the lineup. From basic bag frames all the way up to a genuinely comfortable XXL setup with real stability and confidence. Pick the one that matches how you actually camp, not how you wish you camped, and your next trip is going to feel a lot more relaxed, at least when nature calls.